I think green side this side.
Oh, okay, green on this side.
Gail, he mad. Stream messing up again. Damn, my Nightbot know I got cooking. Did y'all catch the wreck, man? Alright! Boy, he all the way. Somebody clip that, y'all. Somebody clip that. Damn. Oh, man, you outside. Ooh! I'm mad y'all missed that. AT&T, man, I don't know why AT&T acting like that. Golly, I'm mad now, y'all. Hold up. Oh, y'all didn't miss it? Okay, cool. Damn, I might shouldn't have went in here. Y'all might miss something. Miss something else. Oh, Rapid Transit said he saw somebody clip it for me. I still got 3 tacos. Look out, y'all. Man, whoever caught that, that was good. Snoop! Hey, just give me one, man.
Oh, I don't need that many shit.
Yeah,
Well, shit, I'll share with my partner then.
Yeah, sure. Let me get there. Alright, appreciate it. Alright, y'all, we almost back in the, let me see where Simba is. I caught it. Okay. Okay, there goes Simple.
Damn, I'm about to share the motherfucking shit out that goddamn wreck.
I got the wreck. They about to get it ready in just a minute.
Hey, hold up. You know,
we finally
got the lookout.
Finally got it, man. Y'all check it out. It's on there. I finally brung it.
Got me fresh.
I got it fresh, y'all.
Got some more to go?
Nah, I'm gonna bring the whole box next week or Sunday.
You want one?
Yeah, what size? I got all the way up to
Come on,
4.
helping you sell these.
Okay, yeah. Show it one more time.
You got 3X.
I got 3X.
You know, we out here with the lookout.
Yeah, he's ready to do something. Simba, I got people on here looking for you, man.
Why? Why
They-
you looking for me?
Hey, looking for you. One person said it ain't the same. Where she at, man? Somebody, I got 3 people. Who that is looking for you? Team Thundercock looking for you. Twisted Soul, 412. And come at me, bro. Look. Come at me, bro. Simba. He looking for you. Look out.
I'm gonna need some commission.
I'm gonna get you one. You got one free shirt coming.
I need a crop top.
Okay.
Or a hoodie.
A crop top or a hoodie.
Because it's getting cold.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get that ready, y'all.
Yeah. I already sold you 3 of them.
You already sold 3?
Yeah.
Okay, it's about to go
Boy
down.
and that female.
Oh yeah, the one at the front, she need a smile. Yeah, I gotta get you one. I gotta get you one. What clothes? You talking
What she
about?
say?
I already, that she got the shirt on. I ain't.
Now what? Now what? Now what?
What size? You ain't tell me. Medium. Okay, I gotta get her. I'm gonna bring the whole. I'm gonna bring.
with you in your trunk?
Nah, I was moving. I was moving, y'all. I got a whole bunch of stuff in the car. It is. Damn.
You got the cash.
She had that pocket look fat too, man. I could have had some of that. Damn, y'all. Man, I done messed up, y'all. I need to stop.
Look out.
I gotta come on with it. Get in line. I know it. That's my future right there. Somebody talking about one of y'all, somebody future on here. Y'all, somebody future. I even got her a shirt to wear home in the morning. Okay.